Sir.
A disability excludes mask orders.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it
Not
does.
here on the reservation, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
No, it does.
Then why are you following a law that doesn't apply to y'all?
Because it's applied by the governor.
No, it doesn't.
If they say so, then I'm going to have to escort you out, sir.
Question of the day by the truckers. Have you ever been kicked out of a truck stop? That's a real question. Comment down below. I want to know why. And the reason why I bring this up is the unexplained. He's pretty much a star on the show now. Subscribe to his channel. Pickle himself. He goes on an Indian Reserve truck stop. He doesn't have his mask on. And they kick him out. Well, here's the problem I have with that. There's other people in there that don't have masks on, and they're not kicking him out.
Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Number, what's that? Are you a doctor?
We require face masks on tribal lands. We will not serve you unless you wear a face mask.
I have a medical condition.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, you should think twice before coming into a building that requires face masks.
He doesn't have one. People in the building don't have one, so you're going to not let me order?
Yeah.
Because I have a medical condition?
If you don't have a face mask on, I won't take your order.
Are you not going to abide by the CDC regulation?
We are abiding by CDC.
No, you're not.
Well, what are they then?
The medical exemptions exceed your mask mandate.
Okay, well, we still require face masks in the building. If you don't want to wear one, then we won't take your order. Have a nice day.
So you're not following the CDC then? For what?
Because you're not complying by our rules.
There is no compliance for, you're not complying, so you're not complying with the rules, but I have to comply for a rule.
Any difference on?
I have a medical condition, and I can't use one.
Then we can't service you here or anything.
Then what? So you're going to not service me because I have a disability?
No, because it's
Yet,
required.
what do you mean no?
Then
Then why can't I get service? I have a disability.
because the mask is required, sir.
A disability excludes mask orders.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it
Not
does.
here on the reservation, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
No, it does.
Then why are you following a law that doesn't apply to y'all?
Because
then?
it's applied by the governor.
No, it doesn't.
If they say so, then I'm going to have to escort you out, sir.
Come on, Daddy. Big Daddy. Dude. Is there a manager I can talk to?
Step out. No.
Is there a manager I can talk to? Why can't I talk to a
Because you don't want to
manager?
wear a mask.
I cannot wear one.
You have to wear a mask
No,
in
I
these
can't.
facilities. Yes, you do, sir.
I have a disability.
Disability or not, you still have to wear a mask. It's mandated by the
So
governor of Laguna.
are you a doctor?
No, but
Then
I
why are
can
you
call the
giving
police.
medical advice?
I will call the police. Reno doesn't wear a mask.
He doesn't have a mask on. I'm not either.
You may not need a lab record. You need a mask. I
He
already
doesn't-
asked him to.
But he's
I'm
getting
asking you
ordered. He's getting service. Look at that.
It's on decisions of the cashiers. They asked me to call you. 'Cause you
Service.
wear a
Oh,
mask.
so now it's just a service of the cashier. Not.
No, I'm here to enforce it.
You're not enforcing nothing.
No,
He
I'm
doesn't
gonna
have
to
one.
enforce it on you.
So why am
Only
I
one
getting
person.
kicked out because he doesn't have one?
Because he's going out right now.
Yeah, because he already been serviced and I haven't.
No, because he said he was already going to go and leave.
That's what I was
You were
trying to
there
do.
for more than 30 minutes, sir, and they kept asking you to wear a mask.
I don't have to. I
Yes,
got a
you have to.
disability.
Disability or not, sir, again.
Oh,
You still have to wear a
just
mask.
put a mask on. He didn't have one.
No, you can step out too, sir.
Enjoy my lawyer. You've been recorded. You've been recorded all this time. You
That's crazy, man.